Not yet.
I'm reconnecting again. That,
Okay, okay.
so that you are able to see now. I'm sharing again.
Yeah, I can see now.
So GL, we completed all the end-to-end process. Okay. So it's up to you
Yes.
that if you have any doubts, I can go through once again.
Yeah. Main thing is GL. GL for GL, I will come back with some queries. Don't worry.
Okay, no problem. So AP, we created the entry. We created an
Yes.
invoice
We
in
make
batch.
payment.
We make payment. We inquiry the invoices. Whenever you want to
Yeah.
check, you can check. Any accruals, AP accruals you can make based on the budget.
Yes.
Payment entry, you can do payment entry from invoice. Also, you can create a separate payment entry.
Quick payment something.
Quick payment. No. Separate payment responsibility is there. See, I showed you how to do a payment from invoice. Also, you can create a
Okay.
separate payment. Payment overview. So the
Yes.
accounting event is nothing but our journal transfer. Whatever the transaction you created, that needs to be transferred to GL.
Yes.
So this is the journal entry. So transaction date, if you update here, you can see the transactions which is passed through the dates.
Yes.
From date to date, primary ledger, whether you are going to check for Vision Operation USA or Vision Operation Dubai, like that you can check with primary ledger. If you know the transaction number, like invoice number or document number, that you can check here. So these are
Okay.
the criteria you have to check your accounting events. And then if you see, we already covered this employees, how to create a employee expenses, whether you are spending day to day to your sales executives or customer service executives, whoever you are spending day to day expenses based on the receipts. Same way, credit card payment. So if you are swiping credit card based on the transaction slip, you can create the credit card entry. Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So I opened the credit card program. Okay, so here you can select your card details. G
Mm-hmm.
Capital, Mastercard, whatever the card you have added, that you can click and select the card details. Card number, name, profile you need to create, card number, employee number who is swiping the card. I'll just give a percentage to check any existing employee. So these are the employees available. So employees data of birth, employee number, card and card number. So if you know the maximum transaction amount per period, say for example per day or per month, per week, like that you can select.
For credit card payment.
Credit card expenses, I'm saying.
Okay.
So company is providing credit cards, right?
Yes.
To certain number of employees, they will provide the card to swipe and use for day-to-day expenses or when they're meeting customers, like that. So for that you can uh, prepare a entry like this, transaction like this. So once you updated the details, click save. Again, supplier information, if you want to give, you can give supplier information. So supplier side, it is picked up Frencho and at the address. Please verify the credit card number. Credit card number will be 12 digit. No? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 12 digit only, no? Card numbers.
The
2,
12,
3,
4,
12, right? So
the 12, 12, yes. No, it's 16, I think. 4 into 4 times 16.
yes, there. Supplier needs to be created separately for this cards. No other suppliers are here. Have multiple cards you can enter.
Suppose, for example, the expenses they are doing for different projects, we can add that for different
Yes, card
sites.
numbers. Yes. Function not available to the customer's country. Change responsibility to a contact system administrator. Okay. So for this two is not available for general users. So you can use credit card for enter a transaction. So first you need to save the card for the project or for the department, and then you can enter entry like how you will do in expenses, employee expenses. So I will show you one expenses in expense report. Last time we saw this, how to create expenses for employee. So the same way you can create for credit card as well.
Mm-hmm.
Account allows can select audit fee or bad debts or accrued expenses. Any one of the
Mm-hmm.
select miscellaneous. Okay. Invoice number I will put 1234. Use date of the transaction. In the box. First window. Amount standard. Let's say car expenses. And then you can see miscellaneous and picking. So I saved these expenses. So in the same way, you can once you saved the credit card details, you can enter the details here. Like the first expenses I saved for car expenses. So next expenses, if you want to save for air or meals, fuel, or you can save here. Like this. 1 minute. So again, I'm selecting miscellaneous expenses because we doesn't know which expenses we are going to do for that day. So just for example, I'm selecting miscellaneous. So tax you can select based on your expenses tax. Say for example, it is 5% or 8%. Based on that, you can define your tax code, or based on the employee swiping details or how much you paid. Based on that, you can select it. So the same way you can also do the credit card payments, credit card expenses. So you create the card details and then based on that you can do accounting like this.
Same like employee. We created one employee, then we put expenses against that.
This is employee expenses. So same way you can create for credit card.
Credit card.
Credit card is since we don't have a credit card, I just show this example to match the credit card payments, credit card report. Hello.
Yeah.
This example I'm showing you to create the employee expenses as well as credit card expenses, Sohail.
Yes. I got it. This is normal. This one mostly I will be working in GL only mostly.
Okay.
For that interview, I'm going. Maybe
Okay.
somebody will ask. So many people will sit in the interview. They will say, "I will do this one."
Okay. So these are all your payment. So once you're done, you will do create accounting. So once your create accounting is completed, that day we saw how to do a create accounting. Go to find request, submit a request, single request. Ledger Vision USA. So select your primary ledger. End date should be latest date. So errors, no. Errors only you have to run, no. So report should be in summary format, or if you want to change the report format, you can change. Click here and change the report format if you want to see in detail.
Yeah.
So transfer to GL, it should be must, it should be in yes. Post in GL, no. Only transfer to GL. So include user transaction identifiers, no. These are the primary criteria for this parameter.
So if we transfer this to GL, so it will affect financially. It will affect on the GL, or we need to after posting only.
After posting only, after GL also needs to post. So it will transfer to GL. In posting in GL will be a auto concurrent program.
Okay.
Okay, so you will not post that. AP guy will not do that. GL team or the auto interface team will do that.
Posting.
But my point, as a AP guy, you are transferring to GL.
Yes.
Okay, posting in GL will be auto program or GL person will do that. So it will
Okay.
be like, say for example, if you are creating 100 invoice today, it will be like it will create a batch. So 100 invoice will
Yes.
be a AP batch and it will go and sit in GL books. So GL team will
Yes.
refer the details. If it is fine, then you will post at the end of the day. Or else most of the company they done the auto setup. It will have a predefined time like between 12 to 4 or morning 2 to 6, like that there will be a 2 hours or 4 hours program time will be there. That time all
So
will be
it will post.
in jail.
Posted.
One by one, if I post, if whenever you create accounting, when you do create accounting, if it is getting posted now, it will create a issue. So that's why the program created in backend to post everything at a one shot.
Okay.
So after this, you can see the details in GL, but posting will happen once in a while. Okay.
Okay.
So these are the items in AP. So view supplier, I think we already covered this one. If you want to see whatever the suppliers you have in the setup, you can create a supplier. Create supplier will be in setup. So if you want to create a supplier with the details, you can click. Or else, if you want to check the available supplier, you can put supplier number or name, and you can see the supplier's name, address, and payment method. Everything you can see.
Yes.
So along with this, all AP items are also covered. So let's finish. If you have any doubts in AP and GL.
Yeah. AP and GL will what I will do today, but I will go and fix this my system.
Okay.
So evening it's possible we can connect again
Okay.
around 9 o'clock or 9:30 we'll connect. So only to you just check my system. That's only I need in the evening. My software is working fine or not. I have some issues going on. I try to practice, but I cannot work on it.
It stop my screen. Can you share your screen? See,
No, this is I'm using Windows.
no, I'm saying in Skype. Can you share your Skype screen? Okay, can you open your notes?
My this is this one. This is in the server.
Do you have that VMware?
Which one?
VMware for how you are opening Oracle?
Oracle, I need to go into apps. I cannot open from here. That is the problem I'm facing.
Okay, in which apps? Through which apps you are opening?
In the Windows Server 98 something is there. See here, Oracle.
Okay, you have to change the server. You mean?
But in Windows it will not install, right? Oracle.
Correct. No, I'm asking you are switching into different windows or how you were opening? Because I am opening through a remote ware. I am opening
Ah,
VMware.
rem- remote desktop you are opening, right?
Yes.
But the problem in my Windows server, internet is not working. I don't know what this guy has done. Who installed this one?
Okay.
Inter- Internet is not connecting there. Wi-Fi.
Okay. Okay. I don't know how it is working. Can you open Suresh Raja's notes?
Which one?
Notes for APGL. He provided you the notes, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Did you downloaded that so that it will be easy for you to verify? Okay.
What is my concern here? It is 174 pages.
No. Not theory. Go back. You have any AP or GL notes?
Wait.
Hmm. This one is for
Uh,
assets. Go back and
asset.
open AP or GL. And this is for GL.
This one.
See, GL is there. GL and payables is there. Okay, open payables. Scroll down. It will not have that much pages.
How many pages?
It is this one is implementation.
396 pages.
You want implementation? You need setup also,
No, no,
or
no.
what?
I don't need setup. I need only end user
Uh,
only.
so no need to go through these and all for set end user program. You will have a
I
AP.
need this payable. This is GL.
mm, you have implementation documents.
Yeah.
Go back. Any other?
No, only this one.
Open the first one.
This one.
Mm, what is this? This is asset one.
Asset. Asset.
Third one, implementations. I think second one. Open this general ledger. Okay, this also in 396 pages. Yeah, it will
Very big.
take time. So no need to.
What I am asking, if you have any something very short and sweet,
Mm.
only the things which is only required for the.
That is what I covered, Sogail, because 2 days. Why I took 2 days now? It is new. You are new, no? So that's why I took 2 days program for you, GL. So I covered the basic things. Okay, basic things is that is required, must require for whatever the companies. Okay, how to
Yeah.
prepare a journal entry, how to post the entry, what is the reviewer criterias, how to do a reconciliation, what is approval, what is payroll, what is prepaid, what is asset management, how to do a depreciation.
Yes.
So these and all basic, and this will be easy for you to understand. That's why that are all covered in your my GL
Yes.
session.
No, I understand what you have showed me. What
Mm.
I am asking requesting, if you have any something notes or any kind of thing, even 10, 20, 40, 50 pages also, I will go through it. If you have some material,
Okay. So, okay. I saw that your materials are little bit time consuming.
Yeah.
Uh, I will also check with Suresh. You also check with Suresh. Whatever the other WHS you want. You want AR, BA, cash
Yeah,
management,
yeah. Cash
merchant asset,
management, ARAP, see, GL, ARAP, cash management, and this
asset
one, fixed
management.
assets, asset management.
Intercompany also you want, right?
Yes, yes, that is definitely intercompany. So we'll
So
start with evening this AR. I will
then
fix all this.
correct, Sohail, but you also have to allot some time so that I can go through these documents quickly. How to ease your work here? Okay, I can simplify this
Yeah,
document.
yes, yes.
Okay, can you speak with Suresh Raja that he said you are holding some fees or like that he said something.
Yeah, no, what I told him, I was, let's start project also. I need project accounting also. Just I
That
already paid some amount, only some balance amount is there.
okay,
So I spoke to him already 2 days back.
okay,
Okay. He said, okay, rest next week when we start project, I will pay some another amount also, no problem.
okay.
So I will speak with him, no issues.
Okay, you spoke with him today. If you have time, you can speak now also, so that we can start AP, AR, cash management, asset. That
Yes,
and that. Give me 2 hours. I will complete by today, so that we can do the refreshing session and other queries and all tomorrow onwards. So I can
yes,
give you the overall overview for finance related modules, because finance related modules, these three things are still pending. No, AR, cash management, asset management, cash module. These four items are pending so that I can cover these things. Each 30 minutes at least you have to spend.
yes. So by evening we will connect again by evening 9:30 to 10:30 around 11, 2 hours we can connect.
Okay. In between, is it possible or only by 9? It is possible?
If I get free before I need to go, it's far. The computer market is very far. Okay. So
Okay,
travel
okay,
time
okay.
will take
Let's
3 hours for.
get it ready. I also speak with Suresh Raja for this other courses in finance.
For
Let's start this today,
yes,
so that you will get an idea
yes,
about your BA,
yes.
accounting, asset
And
management.
the reports also. We need to check the reports. The how to get that. The final thing
Yes,
will
yes.
go.
Everything in finance, I will give you overall easy idea to understand. Okay,
Okay, done.
I will not give you much elaborated things to confuse you. Okay, I will
Okay,
make it simple so that you
okay.
can understand easily.
Sure, no issues.
Now,
So we'll.
once you spoke with him, just message him in the group. Let's see what time is feasible after 8:30 or 9. We'll sit.
Okay,
Allow me 1.5 hours or
okay.
2 hours so that we can cover these things.
Sure, no issues. No issues. Evening
Okay,
will connect. Okay.
okay, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you.
Bye.